What do when it's finally nice outside? You watch your son TikTok on the beach. Hi, Caleb. And then you got these two trying to throw stones and skip them. We had the cats with us, but they're in the vehicle. Finally a nice spring day, right, Jake?
Yeah.
Whew. I gotta walk on all these rocks first. But there you go, guys. The beautiful waters in Sarnia on a nice spring day. And this is what we decided to do, is come out to the beach and enjoy our time. And we've been watching Jake do TikToks all day long while we've been out. We went to the animal farm here and we checked out the animals with the cats. And then poor Rio was freezing, so we brought him back inside in the van. And then of course we put Coco in there too, just so that Rio stays in the friggin' van. Look at how beautiful the day is on the beach. Beautiful day. And then there's the States. And it keeps going past there. Alright. Bye, guys. Jake, say goodbye. Bye. Destiny, say bye-bye.